What does Puerto Rico, New York City, indigenous, and graffiti have in common? We're gonna combine all of that in this video today. And welcome back to another video, guys. If you guys are new here, my name is Ernie, and I customize just about anything from promotional products to one-off gifts like this canvas that we're about to do. So I got commissioned to do this one piece, and they wanted to have Puerto Rico's flag, a Native American, New York City, and of course they wanted George tribe on it in a graffiti style. So I really was thinking about it and try to figure out how do I combine everything into one. I didn't want to just put a whole bunch of pieces like a flag and the city and like different corners. I wanted it to make sense. And what I came up with was making the Native American very dominant in the front, and then somehow including the Puerto Rico flag in his feathers. I think that would be pretty impactful and would look pretty cool. I'm doing this freehand, so I want to make sure that the balance of the graffiti and the face kind of work out. So I'm trying to sketch those things out first, and then as I go along, I'll be putting more detail in. I was thinking of a way to make the Puerto Rico flag like really big and put the colors kind of in the background, make that the dominant background. And of course I wanted the Native American as well. And yeah, it just came to me like mixing the Puerto Rico flag into his headpiece. So I thought that was kind of cool. At this point, I already know where everything's gonna fall in, so I'm gonna start putting in color. I'm not worried about details at this point. I just want to lay down a good base of color and try to see if all the colors work together and see what else I can add to it to make them pop. After adding the major base color, it's looking really good. I really like how it's coming out because it's right in your face. All the colors are very bright, and you really know what you're looking at, and it's on the entire canvas, which is some things that I like. I really like it to be like big and powerful, and I like it when people give me the freedom to do pretty much be creative. They on this particular piece, they just gave me a few ideas of what they wanted, but they didn't really go into any specifics. So all of this is kind of my idea of putting the Native American really big and combining the Puerto Rico flag onto his headdress. So I'm really liking this piece. I wish I had that for myself, but this is going out I think to New York. I can't remember where exactly it was, but I'm really liking the way this looks. While I have a little bit of white on the pen and the brush, I'm going to throw on some highlights onto the headdress and the face as well. The headpiece at this point is still too powerful. It's overpowering the graffiti, so I'm gonna add a blue outline to the graffiti and see if that'll make it pop. After a while, I noticed that it's still being too powerful, so I need to add another color to it. So I think the most common or the best color would be red, so going with the Puerto Rico colors, it'll be white, blue, and of course red. So I think that's gonna tie everything in together really nicely. And let's finish this off. So in the background, I have the sky and I have the ocean in the front. So on one side, I'm gonna put New York City, and on the other side, I'm gonna put a little bit of like a island, so some greenish and stuff like that, making it look like Puerto Rico. All right, and that's gonna be it for this project. We are done. Let's go ahead and sign it. Let me know what you guys think of the final canvas. I think it worked out pretty well. All the colors really make it look like Puerto Rico, and I hope the customer really enjoys it. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and let's go ahead and take a look at the final results. Thank you so much everybody for watching this video, subscribing and sharing this. Let me know what you guys think of this project, this work, and I really love to hear from you guys. Hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. I have a lot of videos set up for you guys, so make sure you subscribe so you get notified. Hit that little bell button. This way you can kind of see every time I post. So I try to do a video at least once a week, and yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next one.